If you want LCD TV circuits or LCD monitor circuits or LCD TV circuits, first you will type sivainstitute.com English version. In here, download links TV. If you want Samsung, click here, LG, click here, Sony, Panasonic, Samsung. First, this is Salora, S letter. See here, all these Samsung. Total 118 pages is there. This is first page, 1 page. This is 1 page. You will see in this way. If you want LG circuit, see here, this is yes. If you want LG circuits, you will click here. L letter will come. If you want Akai anywhere, you will A. Click in A. If you want Panasonic or Sony, S letter. Panasonic, P letter. You will download in this way from this site. This is eserviceinfo.com. Now I will explain LCD monitor circuit. This is LCD monitor circuit. This is block diagram. Now I will explain this block diagram. This is VGA connector, that is 15 pins connector. From this connector, pin number 1, 2, 3, red, green, blue, and horizontal sync and vertical sync. This is pin number 13 and 14. This signal comes to scalar IC. This is scalar. This scalar IC included in ADC, analog to digital converter. This signal RGB signal comes to ADC. ADC converted analog signal to digital. That means red data, green data, blue data come out from this ADC. That signal goes to scalar. After this signal come out from this scalar, that signal goes to LVDS TX. This LVDS low voltage differential signal. This IC, from this IC signal goes to LCD panel. LCD panel have one LVDS chip, that is RX chip. This is microcontroller. Now we will see in board. This is VGA connector plus adapter. 14 volts come out from adapter. This is old model type adapter. This all signals comes to here. This is the connector. This is scalar. This is scalar included ADC. This is scalar LVDS. This is LVDS chip. This signal goes to, this is LCD panel connector. This signal goes to LCD panel. This is microcontroller. This is microcontroller. All these supplies. Now I will explain with help of circuit. This is circuit. This is motherboard. This is LCD monitor circuit, LCD monitor, motherboard. See here, this is connector. This is connector. This is connector CN202. CN202. In here 20 pins. This 2 is dummy, 21, 22. From this signal VGA connector connected with this connector. This signal come out from this place. See here, R video, that means red video, green video, blue video. This signal come out from VGA connector. That signal comes to here. See here, pin number 22 here. This is red signal, this is green signal, this is blue video. This 3 signal comes to here. 1, 2, 3. D203, D203, D204, D204, D205. See here, D205, this one, D205, this one, these three 2-in-1 diodes, this one. This signal comes to R210, R210, R213, 213, R216, 216. This signal comes to here R208, 211, 214. If any fault is there, this is red signal, red won't present, that means cyan color will come. If any fault is there, this green color won't present, that means won't come, that means only magenta color will come. This is blue signal. If any fault is there, this line and this line and this line, any fault is there, blue won't present, that means yellow color picture will come. 208, 211, 214. See here, 214, 208, this is 208 and 211, 211, this is 211. See here, A, this is A, there is no place here, that's why this is given here, A, 4 components here, 4. The C302, that means this capacitor, R411, this one, C214, this one, you will see in this way. See here, in here B, see here, this is B. So this all component, there is no place here, that's why they have given names here. You will see in this way, any electronic, any motherboard, this is a computer hardware motherboard or laptop motherboard, so same in this way. This signal comes to R208 and 210, 212. To this signal goes to blue, green, red. This signal comes to here, this signal goes to this IC. See here, this is dot, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 40, 41, 80, 81, 120, 121, total 160 pins. You will see in this way. So this signal comes to this IC number IC300. Now we will see another page. See here, IC300, this signal comes to blue signal, pin number 47, green signal, blue input, green input, red input. Green signal comes to 53, red signal comes to 59. So this signal comes to here, 47, pin number 1, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. This signal comes to here, and 53, 59. This signal comes to here. After this IC, red output, green output, blue output. See here, red output. This is dummy, this is BB, this is A. In some sets, interlaced scanning, that's why 2 signals will come out from this place. This is used in only one signal here. Blue data, there is no blue data, blue won't present. Green, there is no green data. If any fault is there, green won't present. If any fault is there, blue won't present. Red, green, blue. Now we will see in here pin number 81. See here, from pin number 81 to this is signals goes to ESD filters, electrostatic discharge, or EMI filter. 111, each one 120 ohms. See here, this one R305, R304, 302, 303, 302, 301. See here, R305, RA305. This is 4-in-1 pack. This is 120 ohms. See here, 121 means 120 ohms. Each resistor 120 ohms. 121 means 1 means 0 last. 305, 304, 303, this is 303, 302, this one 305, 304, this one 303 and 300. Last this is 300. RA 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. These 3 ESD filters. This signal comes to here. This is LVDS chip. This signal comes to LVDS TX chip. See here, this is blue 0 to 7. See here, blue output A 0 to blue 7, that means 8 bit. D0 to D7 means 8 bit. See here, green 0 to green 7, that means 8 bit. Red 0 to red 7, that means 8 bit. Blue 8 bit, green 8 bit, red 8 bit signal come out from this IC. So this IC received RGB signals, analog signals, that is red, green, blue analog signals. That signal comes to 3 pins. After this IC converted into data, that is red data, green data, blue data, that come out from pin 24 pins. That means red 8 pins, green 8 pins, blue 8 pins. That signal come out from this place through ESD filters. This is LVDS chip. This is used for to go high speed. Data goes to high speed to LCD panel. Now we will see this signal goes to, see here, DEB 7.0, 7:0, DEG, that means green, DER means, DEB means blue, DEG means green, DER means red. This signal goes to LVDS chip. We will see another page. See here, this is IC 401, this is IC 401, this is IC 401, LVDS chip. See here, DER, that means red signal, DEG means red green signal, DEB means blue signal. See here, this is blue, this is blue, this is green, this is red signal. This LVDS signal, this signal comes to LVDS signal, LVDS, this is red, green, blue. This signal comes to LVDS chip, this chip. After this signal goes to TX out 0 plus 0 minus, 1 plus 1 minus, clock plus clock minus, 2 plus 2 minus, 3 plus 3 minus. This signal goes to LCD panel CN400. See here, CN400, this is CN400. This signal goes to LCD panel. So this signal come out from TX out 0 plus 0 minus, 1 plus 1 minus, 2 plus 2 minus, clock out plus minus, and TX out plus minus. Total this signal come out from LVDS. So now I will explain in board. LCD monitor motherboard have this chip. In latest motherboards has only one chip. This LVDS chip also included in this way, in this chip. First RGB signal comes to here from VGA connector, that is red, green, blue. If LVDS used in that motherboard, red data, green data, blue data, red data 8 bit, green data 8 bit, that means 0 to 7 pins. That signal comes to this one, and this IC release input red data, green data, blue data, output 0 plus 0 minus, 1 plus 1 minus, 2 plus 2 minus, clock plus clock minus, 3 plus 3 minus. That signal goes to LCD panel. If any fault is there, any red fault, red won't come. Any green fault, green won't come. Any blue fault, blue won't come. That means red, green, blue won't come. That means red or cyan color, green or yellow. In here any fault is there. In open, any red signal open, red won't present, cyan will come. Any short is there, only red color will come. Same in this way, In here any green fault is there, green open circuit, green won't present, green color won't present, only magenta color will present. In this path open circuit any blue path, blue color won't present, only yellow color will present. Any fault is there, white raster will come, white screen will come. In some sets no signal fault will come. Any fault is there, picture with scratches, that means horizontal lines or vertical lines, straight lines will come in here, or glazing picture, this will come in this way. You will see in here this chip is fault. So many times you will see in LCD panel.